Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to be comparing Nexo and Kraken and see if which one is better. So, if you're trying to decide between Nexo and Kraken in 2025, whether you're into crypto trading, lending, or passive income, this comparison will break down the key differences fast, clear, and honest. So, let's get started. So let's start with the overview. Let's first introduce both platforms. So Nexo is known for crypto lending, earning interest, and instant credit lines. So this is great for passive investors, while Kraken, on the other hand, is a powerful crypto exchange with advanced trading tools and high security, which is perfect for active traders. So for the feature comparison, so let's break it down feature by feature. So first is the earning interest. So in this one, Nexo wins because Nexo offers up to 12% APY on stablecoins and up to 8% on crypto. While Kraken does not offer staking, but APY is usually lower and options are limited. So if you're focused on earning passive income, then Nexo has a clear advantage for you. For the trading features, Kraken wins on this one because Kraken has spot, margin, and futures trading with advanced charting tools, while Nexo, on the other hand, offers basic buy and sell functionality, but it's not made for active trading. So for traders who want flexibility and deep liquidity, Kraken wins hands down. Now let's go over to the security. So on this one, both are strong. So Kraken has never been hacked. It uses cold storage, which is 2FA, and proof of reserves. And Nexo is also highly secured, insured up to $33.75 million and has regular audits. So both platforms take security seriously. So this one is a tie. So for the fees, Kraken wins for trading and Nexo wins for holding. So Kraken has low trading fees as low as 0.16%. So on the other hand, Nexo charges no fees for holding, earning, or withdrawing within limits. So if you trade frequently, Kraken is cheaper, but if you just want to earn, then Nexo takes the lead. Now for the availability and regulation. So Kraken is available in more countries and fully regulated in the US, while Nexo serves over 200 countries but has faced regulatory challenges in some regions. So, who should use what? So, you can use Nexo if you want to earn interest, get instant crypto loans, or just hold crypto passively. Then you can also use Kraken if you want to trade seriously. You can use advanced tools or value regulatory compliance. So which one is better? It depends on your goals. So for investors and holders, then Nexo is better. For traders and pros, Kraken is the go-to choice. So let me know in the comments, are you a team Nexo or a team Kraken? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto comparisons like this one. Bye!